Bloody spider's webs in my face. I've got a feeling today's going to be lots of moaning. Number one, I told myself not to pay any attention to weather apps, but like an idiot, I did. It's Saturday, and the weather for tomorrow is sunny all day. The weather for today was supposed to be heavy cloud with fog in the morning, and it's just blue skies. So I had no intention of coming out, and it's blue skies. So again, stop paying attention to weather apps. Second moan. I've only been here, piss off. Second moan. I've only been here 20 minutes. Park basically up where the telegraph pole is at the top. I don't know if you can see it. And I've literally walked down, it's a 15-minute walk. And already I've emptied my shoe 4 times with stones. What's that all about? Can you see the swifts and swallows? No, normally, they're not playing game today. What's going on? There's normally loads of them around here. And I thought, well, the weather's a bit nice, I can get a few shots of these. But they're really sparse today. 1 or 2 here and there. Oh, there's going to be loads of moaning today. I'm already in one of the moods. Okay, so now the weather has gone to shit. It's gone really grey now. I spent about, I don't know, half hour up in the hide, Riverwalk hide, and I got a couple of decent shots, I think, just before the sun went. I got some of a couple of great little egrets, and then there was a heron quite close, and I took some photos, but I was waiting for him to move for ages and ages, and he just never. And I thought, well, I'll go over and get my other camera, the one I'm recording on now, and you know, do a little bit of video telling you what a boring heron he is. And as soon as I went and picked up my other camera, he flew off towards the camera and then went to the left. I managed to capture like the last couple of shots before he went behind a bush. So I got a couple of all right shots in there. Gone a bit nippy though now as well, and I can hear the cuckoo. When I was in the hide it sounded like he was behind me, so I thought, well, I'll come out now on the off chance that I see him. But as I've been walking around here, it sounds like now he's gone back over the other end. So I'm gonna have a half hour in the other hide, see if there's anything going on there, and then I will head back, because it's a little bit on the nippy side. Now I've only got my shorts and a t-shirt on. Now the sun's gone. And there's not really a lot going on anyway, and the light's crap, and I am going out tomorrow. So yeah, we'll crack on and go and have a look. I did use my teleconverter in the hide because the weather was a little bit better, but now it's kind of dropped off a little bit. I'm in 2 minds to put it away just in case I see the cuckoo, so I'm going to leave it on, and hopefully I'll be able to salvage any photos that I do take with some kind of a denoise program, if I do manage to get anything. So we'll crack on and go and have a look in the other hide. Well, I went in the other hide, But as I was getting to the hide, a guy beat me to it, and he got in before me. He took the best space, which is on the corner, because on the corner you can kind of look right and like left. Any of the other seats, you kind of just have to look straight in front of you. And where he was sitting, there was 3 little egrets fishing. I took a few kind of shots kind of round him and over his shoulder, but I couldn't get where I wanted to be, so nothing else was going on in there, so I came out after about 10 minutes. So as I've said before, I'm going to have a walk back now. It's slowly starting to get a little bit brighter, I think, but not by much. I haven't seen any small birds. I can hear them, but I haven't seen any. I think I've seen a couple of blue tits and that's it. Oh, and I did get a little flyby of the kingfisher again in the other hide. I can hear the cuckoo, but I can't see him. But I'm not going to chase him. I'll just, you know, if it happens, it happens. So slow walk back and see what happens. Okay, so it's that time of day now where I put that camera away because I'm missing shots. There's not really a lot going on, and every time I do see something, I'm kind of having to put the tripod down, pick the camera up, and by then it's gone. So yeah, I'm going to put that away now. I'm going to have a quick walk up to the hide, because the reason I'm going to do that is the grass is really wet and my boots are absolutely covered in bits of grass and seeds and stuff. I don't really want to get this on my camera bag by putting it down and putting all that away. So I'm going to walk up to the hide and do it inside the hide. If there's any more shots I take up there, I'll leave them after this. And also when I'm heading back, hopefully the, is it swallows, swifts? You know, the ones I was trying to get this morning. Yeah, if they're about, I'll try and take a couple of shots of them, but I haven't got a good one of them yet this year, so fingers crossed today might be the day. So thanks for watching. Until next time, see you soon.